Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this squiggle, is what I'm going to call it. Squiggles are just perfectly squared lines, and I've already done it. Came out pretty good. You could take a little more time. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show I have a lot of squiggles saved on my Facebook page. But this is a really easy trait. Stuff like this, and this was really a really low image. I mean, it's only 72 dots per inch. And immediately I can see when they clipped art it, there's some flat sides that are going to have to be dealt with just the way they clipped it. But all you have to do, I mean, it's pretty small. It's only 3 inches long, so we don't have to reduce it. You could go up to bitmap and resample it, but it came out really good without doing it. So I'm going to trace it. Outline trace clip art, which I use about 99% of the time, and it's done. And then move it over. That's your new trace. And you can see when you're moving over, see that line to the bottom right? Well, that means there's some white fill. So click on your item, go up to Object, Group, and Ungroup, and then just grab the white and hit Delete. Grab the white and hit delete. Now it's just got a few rough spots, and if you have Corel X7 or above, you can use the smoothing tool, but if you don't, you can just use the shape tool to get rid of those square corners. We'll just select them both and hit delete. As long as it doesn't disfigure it too much, it really works, and I think there's something at the bottom, because normally when they do this, it's on all four sides. Now this one might have a little bit of problem because we only got one node to keep it going, but it worked. Then if you wanted to, and I really think you're good, this could be cleaned up a little bit. You could actually bring that in and make it look more like the line itself. That's just personal preference on what you think it ought to look like. Just make it look a little more uniform and see the difference between the two, where this looks like highways going through each other. So that's a new squiggle that I'll save and use. But if I have 4 pages, somebody years ago gave me 4 pages of squiggles. So if you go to my Facebook page, which is one word, Corel Draw file share, and we'll just go to there and show you how to find it. So here's my Facebook page. This is what it's normally going to look like. Here, somebody asked me a question a couple hours ago. But just go right here to File. Now, Squiggles is probably, in every one of these I drew. So you feel free to use them. A couple of people have put in some other files, and that's fine to people share. But if you want to find Squiggles, we'll just start typing in the search, SQ, and there's, and it's actually saved in version 3. Just double click on it, and there's 4 pages of squiggles. And as you can see, so that new one is not on there, but these are for the most part, these are good quality squiggles. You know, that even has a line between. There's a little rough spots on some of them that could be very easily cleaned up. But feel free to use them for whatever you want. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.